There's nothing more refreshing than a trip to the water cooler to break up the workday. Yet the best office water cooler is about much more than water cooler talk. With the touch of a button, your employees can enjoy access to hot or cold filtered, temperature controlled water to quench their thirst. But with so many water dispenser brands and models to choose from, how can you filter through the options? We've researched and determined the top 10 rated water dispensers for office use, as well as the 2 you should avoid. And now for the freshness.com reviews of the 10 best office water cooler, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Whirlpool self-cleaning hot and cold stainless bottom load water cooler with LED indicators. This Whirlpool unit is the best water cooler dispenser for office use. It's easy to load and has a door that can swing all the way open. It's usually a struggle to find a bottom loading water cooler that doesn't have the issue of inner door hinges. To solve that problem, Whirlpool has made this unit slightly wider than the other options available to make changing water bottles that much easier. The Whirlpool self-cleaning hot and cold stainless bottom load water cooler with LED indicators uses a sixth sense cleaning technology. This technology makes this water cooler a great office choice, as you won't need to add anything onto your weekly maintenance list. The water cooler monitors bacteria and virus levels. Then, when it decides a cleaning is necessary, it uses unstable oxygen to flush the system. This cleaning method kills 99% of bacteria and viruses. Coming in at number 2, the Avalon self-cleaning bottom-loading cooler dispenser. With large and easy-to-use hot and cold water spouts and a sleek black finish, you'll find this water dispenser is an excellent addition to any workplace. This model is the best Avalon water dispenser for office use. The Avalon self-cleaning bottom-loading cooler dispenser has everything an office manager could want from a water dispenser. The unit uses a self-cleaning system, has Energy Star approval, and loads from the bottom. Bottom-loading water dispensers are very popular, as well as in the office. This dispenser is the best bottom-loading water cooler for office use. The loading area reduces the need for lifting and reduces the likelihood of spilling. The pump and siphon system ensure that you get every drop out of your 3 or 5 gallon water bottles. Avalon created a unit that works great and functions well. Coming in at number 3, Oasis Atlantis Cook and Cold Bottleless Water Cooler. For the office with high water needs, you should consider a bottleless water dispenser like this one. Without a doubt, the Oasis is the best Oasis dispenser for office use because of its bottleless design. This water dispenser provides cold and hot temperature on demand. It's also easy to clean. The drip tray can come right out and go straight into a dishwasher if you have a full kitchen in your office. The best feature of the Oasis Atlantis Cook and Cold Bottleless Water Cooler is the dual float system. Because this unit is bottleless, it fills its reserve tank from water from an existing water line. The downside to many bottleless options is that they run the risk of overflowing. The dual float system prevents overflowing, leaving you without excuses to opt for a bottleless system like this one. This cooler doesn't need water treatments and is easier to work with in an office setting because no one has to change those heavy water bottles. Looking to learn more about the water coolers for office use in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Della 2-in-1 freestanding water dispenser with built-in ice maker. Whether your office uses 3 or 5 gallon water bottles, this water dispenser will see daily use in your office. The Della 2-in-1 freestanding water dispenser with built-in ice maker is a top-loading water cooler that goes above and beyond most office expectations. This water dispenser provides up to 27 pounds of ice in a day and doesn't rely on water lines or ice drains. Although you will need to occasionally clean this cooler, it is easy enough to fit into your office's cleaning schedule. Probably the best aspect of the Della 2-in-1 freestanding water dispenser with built-in ice maker is that it's great for saving on energy. Many people love bottom-loading water dispensers, but top loaders don't need the pump or siphon system. When gravity does all the work, you end up using a lot less electricity compared to other water dispensers. Coming in at number 5, Oasis Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser with Filtration System and Universal Installation Kit. Nearly everything you could want from a water cooler, and it only uses slightly more space than a Keurig. This water dispenser uses a direct line connection to provide you with hot or cold water on demand. The stainless steel reserve helps preserve the taste and quality of your drinking water. This Oasis countertop water dispenser is the best countertop water dispenser for office use. For a direct connection, this water dispenser is surprisingly easy to set up. The Universal Installation Kit has thorough instructions for a variety of water line types. You will need access to your under-the-sink water line. For great tasting water in seconds, you can count on this Oasis Bottleless Water Cooler. The unit has an internal 2-stage filtering and purification system that does need occasional maintenance. Coming in at number 6, Whirlpool Commercial Single-Serve Bottom-Loading Water Cooler with K-Cup Pod. Like other Whirlpool models, the Whirlpool Commercial Single-Serve Bottom-Loading Water Cooler with K-Cup Pod relies on extra features to stand out from the crowd. There are a lot of similar water coolers, but this one is a 2-in-1 appliance that focuses on being easy to clean as well. The single serving side has a removable drip tray to help clean up the overflow, and it's easy to access the K-Cup Pod section to get your cup brewing. The coffee brews at about 201 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for a morning cup to wake you up. The only drawback to this cooler is that it does lose some function of the water cooler aspect in order to accommodate the single serving and heating functions. The water cooler takes some time to recover when switching from hot to cold water because the compressor must switch on. Coming in at number 7, Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless Filter Water Cooler Dispenser. A point-of-use water dispenser that provides 3 different temperature settings and has a durable all-stainless steel design. This is the best Brio water dispenser for office use. Many offices are opting for a direct line or bottleless water dispensers because you are saving money over time for your company. You won't need a water service, and you won't have to deal with those heavy water bottles. The Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless Filter Water Cooler Dispenser uses a 3-step filtration system to remove 68 toxins and contaminants from your drinking water. The carbon filters also prevent rust and sediment buildup from hard water, which can damage all your appliances. Finally, a water dispenser that protects itself. This water dispenser can provide 3 temperatures, including refreshingly cold, room temperature, and steaming hot. It's perfect for an office full of hot tea drinkers or for brewing coffee in a French press. Coming in at number 8, Nutrichef Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser with hot and cold water. This unit is the go-to option for anyone looking for a countertop option that doesn't rely on a direct water line connection. You can use either 3 or 5 gallon water jugs, while this water dispenser sits comfortably on top of a countertop or desktop. The cold water pours consistently at a temperature range of 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, while the hot water flows at about 170 degrees. The impressive aspect of this Nutrichef water dispenser is the temperature consistency. Even with repeated use, this unit maintains these water temperatures. Nutrichef also took into consideration the safety needs within offices that may occasionally have children present. The hot water dispenser has a child lock which requires both hands to dispense hot water. This design prevents accidental burns. Because of its many features and sizes, this Nutrichef countertop water dispenser is the best top-load water cooler for office use. Don't opt for the top loader that takes up unnecessary space. The compact design of this unit will fit into any office break room. Coming in at number 9, Avalon A10TL Top-Loading Water Dispenser. This water dispenser from Avalon is an excellent choice because of its innovative design and multiple temperature settings. Many people prefer this dispenser because it provides room temperature water as well as hot and cold. If you have an office with tea drinkers and someone who needs that quick cup of instant coffee, the steaming hot water option is always on the ready. The sleek design isn't just about its stainless steel finish. Avalon A10TL top-loading water dispenser is slightly more narrow than other water dispenser options. The slim design will help it fit nicely into any office space. Finally, you'll notice the option that's easy to select from and are child-proof safe. The child safety lock makes it nearly impossible for children to access the hot water without the help of an adult. Prevent burns with this water dispenser from Avalon. Coming in at number 10, Brio CL520 commercial grade hot and cold top load water dispenser cooler. From ice cold to nearly boiling, you can have the perfect cup of ice water or hot cocoa in seconds. The hot water spout uses the standard lever child safety lock, which prevents burns but allows children to get their own glass of water if they're in the office. Its durability makes the Brio CL520 commercial grade hot and cold top load water dispenser cooler a top choice for many offices. The stainless steel reservoir and ABS plastic design guarantee that this unit will last for years. This top-loading Brio water dispenser is also the best on the market for quiet offices because it uses the most efficient compressor available. The compressor only turns on when necessary and has the lowest cycle rate of any water dispenser on the market. Your office will appreciate that there isn't another appliance kicking on every 30 minutes. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite office water cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com water dispenser for office use to avoid. Lago top load hot and cold room temperature mini water cooler. Many office managers fall into the belief that simple designs usually last longer and are more efficient than the overly elaborate water dispensers. This water dispenser proves that sometimes a simple design produces more problems than a complex design. The worst water dispenser for office use on the market is the Lago top load hot cold water temperature mini water cooler. The hot water dispenser doesn't heat up enough to dissolve a packet of hot cocoa or allow a tea bag to steep. Then the cold water is closer to room temperature, but to top it off, it leaks. So how does such a simple design have these problems? Well, while this Lago water dispenser looks like a simple top-loading water cooler, it uses a series of electronic components and low-grade materials to provide room temperature water with 3 different buttons. And the next to avoid, Honeywell commercial grade freestanding water dispenser. On initial impression, this Honeywell unit seems like a quality top-loading water cooler option, but because of its low-grade seals surrounding the water reservoir, it does leak. Within a few hours, your 5-gallon water jug may empty into the wiring box and eventually onto your floors. Avoid this water cooler for your office or any use at all. Office managers or business owners should know the amount of water damage this unit can cause before bringing it into your building. From wood floor damage to peeling vinyl, the Honeywell commercial grade freestanding water dispenser will ruin floors if you're not careful. What makes the situation worse is the poor customer service that Honeywell is known to exhibit. Although this brand makes quality appliances on a regular basis, they won't offer any help to resolve issues with these water dispensers, and that is their reputation. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best office water cooler. An office should have a water dispenser of some kind. The best water dispenser for office use should deliver excellent cold and hot drinking water while being energy efficient and safe to use, as well as not leaking. Consider the space you have available and whether you want a bottleless or direct line water dispenser before making your office water dispenser purchase. Looking to learn more about the water coolers for office use in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite office water cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.